Well, hello and welcome. I am so excited you decided to join me today. So, for the month of December, we are going to be learning 25 pieces every day. Now, this is just a little gift from me to you. But before we continue, let's find out what piece we're going to learn together today. So, for the 4th of December, we are going to be learning Angels We Have Heard on High. Oh, that's going to be a fun learning experience for you. Now, before we go any further, I would like to introduce myself. I am Monte Monique, founder and creator of Move Over Mozart, the only place where you can learn music how you want, where you want, and when you want. So before we continue, I just want to say a quick happy holidays from Move Over Mozart. So this is sort of a holiday challenge. It could be a challenge for some of you, or this could be maybe a time for you to review if you're coming back to piano. Now, there are pieces for new beginners, and there are also pieces for beginners with a little bit of experience. There is a free download for every piece, so go ahead and download that so you can play along with me. Some of the pieces we are learning may be familiar to you, and some of them maybe not so familiar. But maybe there's just that one piece you've always wanted to sit down at the piano during the holiday time and maybe lead your friends and family in a wonderful sing-along. Well, now is your opportunity. So before we go any further, there are lessons that go into more detail on each of these songs, and I want to share with you how we're going to learn these pieces. So the first thing we do is we play together just our right hand, and then we play our left hand, and then we put our hands together. Now, at any point in the lesson, if you have a comment or a question, just leave it down below in the comment section and I will get back to you. Now, because we are learning 25 pieces in 25 days, be sure to click the notification bell because you won't want to miss a lesson. And of course, subscribe because there are lots of helpful tips and tricks all about music. You can also find me on Instagram at #MoveOverMozart. So if you are ready to make some holiday music, then let's begin. And now for the traditional French carol, Angels We Have Heard on High.